Now we prepare our photos first, so I'm going to get my photos, edit the images. This one I want to remove the background. Okay, we've got that done. Now I'm just going to put him aside while I go get my next image and do the same. Now I also want to take the background off this image. I use background remover. Okay, now the fun starts to happen. I'm actually going to use up here, the transparency effect. I'm going to take the wolf to a ghost like there. I'll position him, and I'll do the same with the horse. I'll go up, use some transparency, blend them, and then I want to go get a background to sit them both on. So I'll go back to uploads. Now there are better backgrounds. This is just to show you all. I mean, not everyone has to be a great designer to use this. Now I right click and set the image as background. Now because it's overbearing and taking over, I'm going to use the transparency on this also. I might drag this up to where I get more at the bottom in the image. Click done. It's positioned it. Now go up to transparency, and I just want to drag that down to where we can see a bit of everything. Yeah, that's it. You can see the horse. Actually, if I move the feather along a bit, yep, I might make my horse a bit bigger. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And overall, to edit the whole image, if you want a bit more shine to it, you can go into your filters, and there's so many here to choose from that you can alter, make them a bit brighter. I might go back into photogenics and see what that will give me. Yep, that brightened up the background picture. If I click on the horse and then edit the image, it will brighten up the horse. So let's just see if I can get a bit of colour into the horse, even though he's transparent. You still want to brighten up. You've got a lot of versions here to just make the horse pop. Yeah, I'll apply more. Like that one. Yeah, I quite like that. Yep, now the same with the wolf. I'll keep his transparency to where it is, but I want to find something that makes him stand out. Oh, that velvety looks good. Yeah. And to add other effects, you can go into elements, and I want a full moon. The graphics, they've always got good moons to choose from. Now I have to position this at the back of the feather, so it will have centre back. That's where I want it, behind the wolf, behind the feather. Skim up there. Looks odd, I know, but just showing you all how to do it. There's probably a lot more of you graphic designers out there who know a lot more than me, and you're going to make great designs. But if this helped you at all, please like, subscribe, so you can see more of my content, because I'll be putting a lot more up in the future. But thanks for watching.